Hey fams, before we get into this video, just wanted to inform you guys of a live stream online launch event happening this Sunday for our youngins. It includes a lot of awesome and talented artists, dancers, plus more to come. Tickets are free. Please check out humanitics.com, type up the Street University and get your free tickets. If not, also message the movement on Instagram known as the Movement01 for more information. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys soon. What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB, back in the building with yet another reaction with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general, so don't be requesting no, Afrobeat or something like that, alright? No. So yeah, for today we're going to be reacting to some Burn Cityans or Melbourneians. So we have ATS Goonz. So they're from South Auckland and they've moved to Melbourne. And talking about South Auckland, I got my 274 ring that Mama B got me. Can you guys see it? 274. Excuse my fingernails. Soon I'm gonna get 274 grills. Let's go. But yeah, fams, gotta love 274. We got some Melbourneians on the map in here.
Support our poly fams, poly businesses, PolyMovement, please. Help get our poly businesses up there and recognised globally, please.
So these guys are from Southside, so Cranbourne.
Where the HP boys are.
Yeah. And we're Northside. Yeah, thank you to those that have requested. Oh, also if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. So thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do it by clicking on my logo over there. Or click subscribe at the bottom and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos. I'm puffed out, let's go.
That's ATS
Goonz. Oh, interesting. Wait a damn minute. This sounds like that song. Where do you go? What do you do? Oh!
Fuck my life.
Who do you know? By Joeezy and
Oh, true.
When Inala steps on the scene. Oh! Damn, okay.
Start again, let's start again.
That was quite sugar.
It's free for all.
Burn City! Oh, someone got... Oh, you're rich!
Mate, I know men
who are absolute freaking gullers,
much
man.
worse than females.
You want to talk about, lady? You want to go there.
No,
but you ain't wrong. You ain't wrong, brother.
I said it once and I'll say it again. Fall back and you can keep bleeding. So if you're part of the group, keep my name out of your mouth. You know what I be, the home of the brave. You ain't wanna be for the dirtiest style.
There's another home of the brave?
Oh, you know they're from...
You guys are from Otarai. I see.
So who's this towards? Sounds like it's towards someone.
Yeah, I'm trying to think who it's towards.
And then you're using that same tune.
Nah, I don't know. You might be overthinking of Mama B, but you are an investigator.
I hope I'm
goodness. What you said about us
we're all one.
You're wrong.
One.
I wonder where they're from, because they look like they're in Craigieburn or something, but I don't know.
So we should go drive down Cranbourne and have a look for this house.
No, I don't.
It's a nice house.
Hey, buddy.
Knocking them, they go silent. Never thought we were fighting.
phone for a second.
They running hot and so them pussies know that I.
Central. Oh, tiny. Yeah! Cricket Burn Central, I'm sure it is. Y'all are close.
Yeah, really focusing on where they're from, eh?
Yeah, I'm forgetting to listen to it. I just wanted to see where they're from.
It's raining, fuck my life.
Yeah. So excuse the rain, guys. It just wants to rain now out of all the days in the world.
Mustard.
Oh, QP made this, eh? So, Mondi, what did you think about the track?
I like it. You can only be proud.
Proud, yeah. I'm just...
Like I said, a lot of the artists that we've been reacting to are from Aotearoa or around South Auckland or Central Auckland in general. It's just amazing.
And
from
the
this little
that we're getting from so many different states and countries is amazing, man.
From this little place that had a bad picture painted about it, stereotyped and everything. Look what's come out of Aotearoa. You can only be proud.
Yeah, you can't fault that, man. You can't fault that.
I love the vibe. I love how you guys are coming across.
Yeah, I'm quite conflicted with the beat thing.
Yeah,
I'm
just
not
the
too sure.
beat.
Yeah,
Sorry,
I'm not too sure if there's anything behind
because
that.
I've heard it before, eh?
Yeah.
And then you mentioned Home of the Brave. Maybe we're looking too much into this, but other than that,
I like it.
keep it up.
Yeah,
Keep it up,
it's
fans.
alright.
Find your niche in this music industry and go for it. You guys are quite young, so
yeah, I feel like the visuals were alright, but I liked when they made the frame a bit smaller.
Yeah.
They had the background
what,
still
16
going.
inch?
Yeah, and then they made it. Oh, I like that transition or effect
yeah.
or whatever it is. I really like that because it had a pop of color in the back in it. But the thing is, I just found it weird how they're in like a rich area and then just like, it's just weird because I'm so used to seeing like the hood or something like that in video clips. But it's nice to see that you guys are.
Well, you
doing
can't
well
always have
Yeah, I know. It's nice
Sydney
to see.
in a nice area. What about us?
Yeah, it's nice to see you guys and
Yeah.
are living good and stuff like that. Y'all are rich. Yeah.
It's
So
good.
yeah, fams, I'd be happy if you guys are from northern suburbs because I don't know of any others that are from northern suburbs. And this rain, man, I'm sorry guys. The beat is quite familiar, so I've already liked the beat. Their style of rapping I liked. I didn't get much of the lyrics. I was too focused on trying to find out if I could see something familiar. But yeah, good to see some new faces.
Oh, sorry, I was just pinpointing on who are they talking about?
Yeah,
where's this going? Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to think who these guys might be beefing about or with.
But I hate picking up on stuff like that. I just want to push out positivity, and honestly, there's a lot of good in your video and a lot of good in the way you guys come across, and you guys are young. Keep on that grind, please.
And also, I just realised ATS is against the system. I thought it might be the beginning of each of you guys' names. I just realised.
Yep. Oh, true.
Damn. Okay, I see you guys.
PolyMovement, please, fams, support our PolyArtists, PolyRappers, PolyMusic, PolyBusinesses. Like for these guys, support them by subscribing to their channel, which is against the system. Please subscribe. Let's help get their subbies up and also the views, please. Share the love.
Melbournians on the map. Let's go.
Forget about the hate. Just share it. Push it out there. Let's see our polys get out there. Look inside your backyard first before.
Yeah. 100%.
That's just me.
Other than that, fams, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.